Hello, and welcome to this video about Canva. Canva is a great website for making photo collages or different types of posters. In this video, I will take you through the steps to make your own poster for the Hamilton Photo Scavenger Hunt. I will show you how to add a title and text for your name. I will show you how to add the background of your poster, and you will learn how to add picture frames and how to upload your photos to Canva and put them into your poster. First, you need to select Poster to create a blank page where we can start our work. Next, we're going to click on Text. Here, we have many options for styles of text. You can add a plain heading of different sizes. A basic headline has no style or color. I want to choose something a little more interesting, so I will delete this basic headline. To delete something on Canva, just press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. I will choose this text option with 2 lines of text. First thing I will do is change the title to Hamilton Scavenger Hunt. I'm going to leave Hamilton in the big letters, and I'll use the smaller letters to spell out Scavenger Hunt. Next, I need to add my student name and my link class. So I will add a basic headline and type my information. Let's take a moment to talk about how we can change the size of our text. If you click on the white circle in the corner, you can click and drag to make it smaller or bigger. The other way to change the size of the text is to highlight the text and use the font toolbar to change the size. The font toolbar also allows you to change the colors of your text. I want to change the font, so I will highlight the word Scavenger Hunt and I will choose from this large list of fonts. But you must not choose one of the fonts with the small yellow icon. These fonts are not free. So please choose one of the many free fonts available. This pre-made text that I chose is part of a group. They are connected together. And when I click on Hamilton, the words Scavenger Hunt will move as well. So next I need to click on the student name and move that text by itself. Now I will show you how to change the background of your poster. Click on the background icon and you can see a large selection of photos to choose from. If you do not want a photo, you can select a solid color from the list at the top. There are many choices of free background photos, but try not to choose something that is too distracting. And don't choose something that takes the focus away from the title or the photos. If you know what you are looking for, you can use the search bar to find a photo. For example, I would like a photo of clouds. So I will type clouds in the search bar. To add a photo to your poster, simply double-click on the photo of your choice and it will be added to your poster. I'm pretty happy with this photo, so let's start to add some picture frames for our photos. To do that, you need to click on Elements. And they have many fun and interesting elements for your projects, but for this example, I'm going to use frames. So scroll down to Frames and click on See All. Now we can see a larger selection of frames for our project. There are many interesting choices, so pick one that works best for your project and double-click on the frame to add it to your poster. Now we need to resize the frame to make it smaller because we want to fit many pictures onto our poster. So take the time to make sure you have a layout that fits nicely on the page. Don't worry about adding all the photos to one page because we will make a second or a third page for this project. Now that we are happy with our first page, let's learn how to add our photos to Canva. To do this, you need to click on Uploads. And at the top of the Upload section, click on the blue square button. Now look through your computer to find your photos. When you have found all the photos, you need to click Open. Now you can see all of our photos are being loaded into Canva. Next, we need to add them into our picture frames. So you can click and drag on the photo and move it to the picture frame of your choice. When adding photos to frames, you must be careful not to add the photo in the wrong spot. If you add the photo to the background and you lose your background photo, you can simply click the undo arrow at the top of the screen. To change the size or position of the photo inside the frame, you need to double-click on the photo. And now you can use the white circles in the corner to change the size of your photo and move the photo inside the frame so that it looks nice. Now we have finished our first page. So next, we need to add a new page. And to add a new blank page, click here at the bottom of the screen. You can use this blank page, but then you have to bring in picture frames, change the size, and we have already done all of that work on the first page. So, I'm going to delete this blank page, and I will show you how to make a copy of the first page. Click on the small icon that looks like two pieces of paper. And now you have made a copy of your first page. But on this second page, we do not need the text. So click on the words and press delete to remove everything that you do not want. But be careful not to delete the wrong item. And remember, you can use the undo button if you make a mistake. Once you have deleted the words, you need to remove the pictures from the frames. So double-click on the picture and press delete. Now we need to add two more picture frames to the top of our page. So repeat the steps from earlier to make sure that your picture frames fit nicely on the page. And now we have one blank page, and we can make as many copies of this page as we like. Most of the hard work is done now, so all you need to do is add the rest of your photos to finish your project. And when you are done, make sure you give the project a proper name by clicking here in the top of the toolbar. Just put your name and your link class as the title. Now to download your poster, click on the arrow here. Leave it as a PDF and click on download. And now we are done our project. Canva is a really great website that you can use to make posters like this, plus many other fun and interesting projects. So take the time to explore the features of this website and have fun creating something cool.